The fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Prime number. A positive integer p is a prime number if p is not equal to 1 and the only positive divisors of p are 1 and p. For example, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and 13 are the first few prime numbers. Composite number. Every positive integer other than 1 which is not a prime number is called a composite number. A composite number can be written as the product of its factors. These factors can be either prime or composite. If it is composite, it can be written again as a product of two factors. At one stage, we get all the factors are prime numbers. Let us take any composite number. For example, 156. Look at the factor tree of 156. Now let us see what we get if we start dividing by other prime number 3. In both cases the prime numbers are same, only the order in which they appear is different. As in the first case, 156 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 13. And in the second case, 156 is equal to 3 into 2 into 2 into 13. Fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Every composite number can be factorized or expressed as a product of primes, and this factorization is unique apart from the order in which the prime factors occur. Important result. HCF into LCM is equal to product of two numbers. Example 1. Express 9720 as a product of primes. Solution. Here we divide the given number by the prime numbers. Here we observe that 9720 is dividing in the following manner. That is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 5. Or we can write it as 9720 is equal to 2 raised to the power 3 into 3 raised to the power 5 into 5. Example 2. Find the HCF and LCM of 336 and 54 by prime factorization method. Solution. We first divide 336 by prime factorization method as shown, and we obtain 336 is equal to 2 raised to the power 4 into 3 into 7. Similarly, divide 54 by prime factorization method as shown here, and we obtain 54 is equal to 2 into 3 raised to the power 3. As the HCF of 336 and 54 is equal to product of minimum powers of each common prime factor, so the HCF of 336 and 54 is equal to 2 into 3 or 6. Similarly, LCM of 336 and 54 is equal to product of the maximum powers of each prime factor involved in the numbers. So, the LCM of 336 and 54 is equal to 2 raised to the power 4 into 3 raised to the power 3 into 7 raised to the power 1, which is equal to 3024.